મારું નામ સુઘાલી છામંતીભાઈ. मैं 3 क्लास सीख रही हूँ. मकबूज को वाक्याल ब्रिंग. एक वाक्य लेती विसन 5 वाक्य लेके इंचू. I bring a pen. I brought a pen. I shall bring a pen. I am bringing a pen. I have brought a pen. Negatives. I do not bring a pen. I did not bring a pen. I shall not bring a pen. I am bringing a pen. I have not brought a. I have brought a pen. Question. I do not bring a pen. I did not. I do not. Do I not bring a pen? Do I bring a pen? Did I bring a pen? Shall I bring a pen? Am I bringing a pen? Have I brought a pen? Question tag. I bring a pen. I bring a pen. Don't I? I brought a pen. Didn't I? I shall bring a pen. Shalln't I? I am bringing a pen. Haven't I? I am bringing a pen. Haven't I?
Aren't
I? I have brought a pen. I have brought a pen. Haven't I?
very good.